Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the Numark Mixtrack 3. The Numark Mixtrack 3 is a USB DJ controller, almost identical to the Numark Mixtrack Pro 3. The biggest difference is that the Mixtrack 3 does not have a built-in audio interface and instead uses your computer's sound card by default, but we'll talk about that later. Before we start, make sure that you've connected the Mixtrack 3 to your computer using the included USB cable, and that your computer is powered on. The Mixtrack 3 is class compliant, so it will connect to your computer without any additional driver installation. It should only take a few seconds for your computer to automatically detect it once it's plugged in. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is the included Virtual DJ software. The download and activation code for Virtual DJ will be in your account after you register the product on the Numark website. Open up your web browser and visit www.numark.com. Once the page is loaded, click the My Account button. If you don't have a user account yet, click Create Account. Fill out your info and click Submit. I already have a Numark account, so I'm just going to log in with my email address and password. Once you've logged in, click on Register a Product. Select Mixtrack 3 from the Product drop-down menu and enter the serial number located on the underside of your Mixtrack 3. The number starts with a 21 in parentheses and will be located just underneath the safety label on the bottom of the product. Fill out your purchase date and where you purchased it from, and then click Submit Registration. Once registered, you'll see the Mixtrack 3 in your account with a download link and your license code. Write down or copy the license code to your computer's clipboard, because you will need it in a few minutes. You'll also see your Prime Loops and Tool Room Artist Packs, which I encourage you to download later. For now, we're going to focus on Virtual DJ. Click the link to visit the Virtual DJ website. Once there, click on Create an Account. Enter all of the required information. Once you've completed the form, click the Create button. Log in using the username and password that you just created. Once you're in your account, paste your Virtual DJ license code into the box and click OK. Your available Virtual DJ licenses will be displayed in the section below where you entered your code. Next, let's download and install Virtual DJ. There's a link that takes you where you need to go, right in the bottom menu of the Virtual DJ website. Select which version you need, either PC or Mac, and download the installer. Once it's finished, double-click the installer icon to start the install wizard. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, you're ready to launch Virtual DJ. The software will ask you to sign in using your Virtual DJ account. Just enter your info and click Log In. By logging in, Virtual DJ will automatically recognize any licenses you have saved to your account. If this is your first time running Virtual DJ, you may see this pop-up window saying that you have a 30-day free trial of Virtual DJ Pro. Once 30 days has passed, the software will revert to the LE version. The LE version is what was included with your controller, so don't worry after 30 days when Virtual DJ says your trial has expired. The software will continue to work perfectly with your Mixtrack 3. As long as your Mixtrack 3 is plugged in, you should see this pop-up window confirming that the software detects the mixer. Click OK. That's just about it. The Mixtrack 3 is now configured to work with the included Virtual DJ LE software. Select a track from your music library and drag it to either deck to load it. If you don't hear any audio from your computer right away, make sure that the Crossfader is on the correct deck and your channel faders are turned up. Speaking of hearing things, it's important to understand that the Mixtrack 3 is a DJ controller only and does not have a built-in audio interface. All of your audio will come out of your computer speakers or headphones. If you want to monitor a separate headphone mix to pre-cue your tracks, I recommend using an external interface such as the Numark DJIO2 or a DJ splitter cable, which are usually available from any store or website which sells DJ gear. A splitter cable plugs one stereo end into your computer and splits to two mono signals. Virtual DJ has a special setting for those kinds of cables, which you can see right here in the audio settings under the already selected internal sound card. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
I am very much into pushing the culture forward. If I can help someone who enjoys music and is curious about DJing, you know, I would love for them to learn how to scratch. I want you to learn how to beat match and mix these two records together. I'm almost scared to call it an entry-level controller because it has all of the features that the bigger controllers have. Where I used to run. When the idea came of putting, you know, a pad scratch feature that could help someone who's never done this, oh man, I was all in. The 8 different pads are 8 different patterns. Basic baby scratches and basic chirps, and it'll do it for you, and then you can turn around and say, okay, let me see if I can replicate that. We kind of set it up as it goes from the most basic scratch all the way up to a little bit more intricate to just teach you the different steps. Working from the fundamental aspect out and just showing you the basics and going up the steps gives you a better footing. I want there to be 1,000,000 great DJs in the world, because if there's 1,000,000 great DJs, there's 1,000,000 great events, 1,000,000 great parties, people are having a good time, and then my job stays forever.
This video will walk you through the many ways you can use your DJ to Go 2. DJ to Go 2 is a pocket DJ controller with a built-in audio interface. It's the smallest and most liberating DJ controller for Serato software. It comes with Serato DJ Intro and is upgrade ready for the full version of Serato DJ. Once you've installed the software, connect your DJ to Go 2 to your laptop. Now let's explore the features. On the DJ to Go 2, you have 2 audio outputs available. The main 1/8 inch output allows you to connect to your speaker or sound system via the included 1/8 inch to RCA cable, as well as a 1/8 inch headphone output for cueing. The master output is controlled by the master gain knob. In the center of your controller, you have your push browse knob to quickly jump in and out of your crates. Once you find the song you want to play, simply tap on the load button that corresponds to the deck you want to load. Let's load a song to deck 1. Now let's blend in a second track. Press the Q button for deck 1 to hear deck 1 in your headphones. The Q button will allow you to send music to your headphones. This will be different from what the audience hears. Once you're sure your tracks are aligned, you can blend to the second track. An alternative way to blend on the DJ to Go 2 is to set the crossfader in the middle and use the channel gain knobs to blend for a smooth transition. Let's load a new song onto deck 2. This time, we'll use the sync button to ensure both tracks are playing at the same BPM and in time. When the track is paused, you can scratch, rewind, or fast forward through the track. Now let's talk about the pad modes. Directly under the browse knob is the pad mode button. This button allows you to toggle through 4 modes of cues: auto loops, manual loops, and the sampler. Let's check out cues mode. Cue points allow you to jump to predetermined points in any track. You can assign a cue point to each of the 4 pads. I already have a cue point assigned to each pad. To remove a cue point, hold the pad mode button and press the pad that contains the cue point that you like to remove. Now hit the pad mode button and highlight auto. Now you can use the 4 pads to create loops of different lengths that will automatically align to the beat grid. Hit pad mode again for manual loop. This will allow you to set custom loops on the fly by pressing 1 to start and 2 to end the loop. To disengage the loop, press 3 and the song will resume. The last pad mode is the sampler. This mode allows you to load up your DJ drops or samples. Engage your samples with the 4 pads on the DJ to Go 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your DJ.
If you are new to DJing, DJ to Go 2 is the best way to get started and practice anywhere, anytime. If you're a seasoned DJ, the DJ to Go 2 is the perfect tool for creating amazing sets while sitting at a desk or at your favorite cafe spot. Also, DJ to Go 2 is great for quick setups at intimate events where you don't want to bring out your entire rig. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.